All right, this one, Ariel is planning to buy a home. She has money for down payment and sees a home she would like, computes that she would need to borrow $240,000. This is going to be your principal loan amount from a bank over a 30-year period. That's your time. And our interest rate is going to be 3.74, her APR. What will be her monthly payment? So here we go with the big bad monthly payment formula, where we're going to go principal times the rate over 12 times 1 plus the rate over 12 to the power of n times time, all over 1 plus the rate over 12 to the nt minus 1. So here I go plugging in. My principal, the loan amount that I'm borrowing, that we're about to go put in Desmos, is $240,000. My rate, I'm going to take that 3.74, I'm going to bump the decimal twice, and I'm going to be putting in 0.0374. Why is it divided by 12? Because this is a monthly payment formula. 0.0374 over 12 again, to the power of 30 years times 12 months. What are most of our calculations going to be like in the monthly payment formula? It's going to be to the power of 360 in most cases, because most of the loans we're going to talk about this chapter are going to be 30-year loans, which means 360 months, in case you wanted to know. It's a long time to be paying your house payment. Make sure you really want that house. Okay, then the bottom goes 1 plus the rate over 12 to the power of 30 times 12 again, or 360, minus 1. So go ahead and plug that into Desmos, and let's see how we do. So 240,000 times 0.0374 divided by 12, 1 plus 0.0374 divided by 12 to the power, that's this little A to the B button. You can put 360 in here, or you can put the 30 times 12, whatever you're comfortable with. That's your whole numerator divided by 1 plus the rate over 12, all to the power of 30 times 12 again. Oops, see my error there? Don't do that. That's why I like to type 360 sometimes. And then I arrow down to do my minus 1. So we've got a house payment on a $240,000 mortgage of $1,110 and 12 cents. And you might be thinking, well, that's not a very expensive house payment. And that's because we're only doing a $240,000 loan. What happens in San Diego when homes really cost $450, $550, $850, way higher? You're going to see that payment go way up. But the rates are really low right now on house payments. So at least you've got that going for you. If somebody's trying to buy a house right now, even though the prices are expensive, the rates are super low. You may have heard adults talking about that right now. Anyways, this is the same old monthly payment formula that you're used to plugging in for the car payment, for the credit card, etc. But now we're using it for calculating house payments. And please insert your Desmos work if you're typing into the Google Doc. How'd you do?